Hi guys, today we're going to install this power window switch with illuminated buttons from Cartrimhome. So the switch will go in place of this one. As you can see, the original switch only has one button with LED, while this one has all buttons with LED lights. Besides the driver switch, the set comes with buttons for all passenger doors, and the same thing, you can see that this one will have LED light, while the original one doesn't have any illumination at all. So this is our driver side, and you can see all lights working. And let's see the passenger side. Now we have light here as well. The color of the buttons does match the rest of the instrument panel nicely. And let's check if it's gonna open our windows. Yep. All four windows open. Our installation is complete. Everything works great. As you can see, lights are working. Another important point to mention, the buttons, in my opinion, work exactly the same way as the original, so I can't tell the difference. So automatic function works. If you guys like the product, I will leave the link in the description so you can check it out. So I'm going to start removal from this side because there is a hook on the other side, and if you try to remove the switch panel from there, you will break it. Just gently pry it open and pull it out. Next, you'll have to unscrew these three screws. And the switch is out. Same procedure on the passenger side. Now we'll have to pull out this button. As you can see, there are three latches, two on one side and one more on the other. The set comes with the adapter